What are you doing?
Make a coolest tea party.
Making the coolest tea party?
Yeah.
What do you have with you?
These
What are those?
jelly beans.
Jelly beans?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. What you doing?
This one's the ear.
That's for Daya?
Yeah, they're all different.
Look at me. Show me what you have there. What is the first thing you have there?
This
Yes.
a tea.
And then the second one, what is it?
This
Right there.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
Sunglasses.
And then what else? What is next to the sunglasses?
This.
Yes. Uh-huh.
Seashell.
Uh-huh. And what's next after the seashell? What do you use a seashell for?
The next to the seashell is a cup.
Yes. What do you use a seashell for?
For I can talk to Ariel.
Oh, you can talk to Ariel on there?
Yeah.
Have you talked to her?
No, every day.
You talk to her every day?
Yeah, but I can see her.
What is it?
I can see her.
I can't hear you.
I can't see her yet.
Oh, okay. What did she say to you?
You say, I had
You have to what?
I had to join over there.
You have to join over there?
Yeah.
You have to go enjoy Ariel?
Yeah, but it's sharp.
What's that?
There are sharks there
Where?
in the sea.
In the sea?
Yeah.
What do you use to call her? Show me.
I caught the flowers in the seashell. Then
Show me your seashell then.
This.
Show me how you do it.
I can't.
Why?
Because, Baba got it for me.
What?
Baba got it for me.
Rara got it for you?
Yeah.
Call. Use your seashell and call and see if you can get hold of Ariel right now.
Fine. Only one chance.
One chance. Okay. Go ahead.
Beep bop, beep bop. Beep.
Is she there? Talk to her. Call her and see if she's there.
He over there.
No, she's not.
Yeah, it is.
Talk to her then. Show me how you talk to her.
No, can't.
What are you doing?
For a tea party.
Having a tea party? Who are you having tea party with?
Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Wow. Tea. Cup. No. No. Goldfish. Jelly bean. Candy. Pumpkin. Basket. Mouse. Cheese. No. And a shark. With spinning. No, Dookie, you can't spill it.
Dookie?
Dookie, stop it.
Dookie, what you doing, Dookie? You like to play tea party too?
Dookie, move it, Ebony.
Yeah, you like that? Is that what you like, Dookie? Wow. What's that?
Like a penny thing.
What do you do to that?